Best practices for AuthorizeNet SIM integration. To integrate AuthorizeNet SIM into your website successfully, you need to follow certain best practices that ensure a secure and efficient payment process. First, understand the basics of AuthorizeNet SIM, which is a hosted payment solution that allows customers to enter their payment information on a secure AuthorizeNet server. The key concept here is that sensitive payment information is never stored on your server, reducing the risk of data breaches and making it easier to comply with PCI DSS regulations. To start the integration process, you need to create an AuthorizeNet account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests and authorize transactions. Next, you need to generate a fingerprint, which is a unique identifier that associates the customer with the transaction. The fingerprint is created using a combination of the customer's IP address and a timestamp. When implementing the SIM integration on your website, make sure to use a secure connection HTTPS to protect sensitive payment information. You should also handle errors and exceptions properly by displaying user-friendly error messages and providing alternative payment options. In addition, always validate user input to prevent malicious activity and ensure that the payment form is properly formatted and easy to use. To test the integration thoroughly, use the AuthorizeNet Sandbox environment to simulate transactions and verify that the payment process is working correctly. You should also test the integration with different payment methods and scenarios to ensure that it is working as expected. Finally, to ensure the security and integrity of the payment process, always keep your AuthorizeNet API credentials secure and never store sensitive payment information on your server. Regularly update your integration to comply with the latest security protocols and best practices, and monitor transactions for any suspicious activity. By following these best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient payment process for your customers and reduce the risk of data breaches and other security threats.